Hello, my coach. My name is Thủy. This is my homework. Consonant as resist, resist, road, road, rise, rise, rain, rain, raise, raise, rich, rich, robe, robe, correct, 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 serious, serious, direction, direction, arrange, arrange, everyone, everyone. Consonant w, w. Why, what, wait, which, when, which. Consonant L. Lemon, smile, smile, ball, ball, lunch, lunch, learn, learn, lobby, lobby, lift, lift, look, look, laugh, laugh, life, life. And I have a happy family. I have a very happy family. My parents and I get along very well. I am a senior student. My dad is a great police officer. He has a good sense of humor. I love telling jokes. My mom is a wonderful English teacher. She's very smart, patient, and kind. She teaches me a lot of things. We enjoy spending time together. We can talk about anything. We always support each other and we love each other very much. My family is the best. Happy family makes society strong. I hope that every family can be as happy as mine.